Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial for Zoho Books. So first we gotta sign in. Our company name is NetTech. Our email address is this one. This is good. We gotta register for a second. We gotta select our location. Here it is. And I agree to the team of the service. So now we're being redirected. Now we have to click on the link on our email address. So now we're going to Gmail. After that, we gotta click the link. Let's just wait a second. No, we haven't received an email. Oh, so we have been redirected here. So just on industry, let's say e-commerce or IT. Okay, non-profit, whatever. So you have to set your district, like I'd say here, Bulgaria. Yeah. This should be for your location. Depending on your location, you should choose it. And so we should get started. Now we're being redirected into the real site. Here it is. So first off, you can choose supporting documents, forum, video lessons. There is everything you would want to have. There are elements in here, the beginning. Here is the total receivables that you have gotten, overdue and current, total liabilities, what are reliable, and here's the cash flow of the financial year, the previous financial, and the last 12 months. Here you can see, if I could just here you can customize your account, like you can go in here and you can just wait to load up the page. Here you can edit your account. You can set your first name, last name, display name, gender. Here's your email address, mobile numbers. Here's security, two-factor authentication, settings, sessions, groups, privacy, and more. So there's everything you'd want here. On this menu, you can choose from mail to click to connect to writer, sheet, show, and meeting. Here's a featured app that's called Zoho Design. It's easy and secure, like it's written here. And there are also apps reaching from CRM to survey to sites to bookings even. There are even financial category like books, inventory, invoice, billing, and experience. Here's an email corroboration. There's everything you even want. there's even creator, but we're not here for that. So let's just go to the mail. Like, we'll do it right here. Just wait for the page to load up. So I don't think that this really needed. So is there a Zoho main page? Here is it. Here it is. I meant. So there are also premium plans for Zoho Books. Here you can subscribe. Just wait a second, I'll show you. What are the plans? The plans. Zoho is a freemium model. So first we gotta confirm our account. From confirming, I think it's trying to tell us that we have to set up a two-factor authentication. Yes. Here I opened the Gmail for this. And now we're waiting. And I think it would come quite fast. I don't know why it hasn't really sent yet. But yes, for short, the pricing is dependable, depending on the plan. There is a basic premium plan and a premium plan for companies. Right now we're using the free plan that is only for 14 days, and that's it for the video, guys. I think that I tried to help you quite a lot, and if it was really helpful and if it helped you in any way or another, I want you to like and subscribe, and also type comments about how you feel about Zoho Books. And if this video was helpful to you guys, please make sure to like and subscribe again, and I'll see you guys around.